Bitcoin went below $72,000, and we also broke below critical support right here. We had the support zone at around $74,000. This was the time when Bitcoin bounced back from the previous drop beginning of the year 2025. We saw a nice bounce from there. We created a new high, and now it doesn't look good. We broke below this point, and the next strong support is here at around $50,000. Now the question is, how far can Bitcoin drop? And we will talk about it in this video. Make sure you're watching it until the end. Let's see here. We are actually, for Bitcoin, massively oversold right now. So we might see a bounce to the upside very soon. Let's look when Bitcoin has been the same level on the RSI. Still has a little bit to grow. Let's make the RSI a little bit bigger here. We can see it last time. This was in 2023. The price was $26,000, and we just dropped from 32 to 26, which was around 22% drop. So that was the last time the price was this oversold, and also here at 19K. So we can see here, based on the RSI, it's not a bad time to buy some. And we might buy some in this video. Let's see. I might open some nice positions for Bitcoin and for some altcoins, because the prices, I have to say, are incredibly low. I think there is definitely some more room to go to the downside. This can also be just a fake out yet. It's not confirmed yet. We will have to wait it out. The RSI definitely indicates that we might have a bounce very soon. Look at it. Also on the 4-hourly, very oversold. So it might be a good time to buy now, actually. Let's see. 4-hourly, what else we have here? Let's check the daily. Again, daily, it's super oversold on the daily. So it's a good period to buy if you are not a day trader. If you're a long-term investor, this is definitely a very good moment to buy right now. You will be very thankful to yourself in the future if you would buy right now. This is definitely not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I see in the charts and what I'm doing by myself. You can always do whatever you want and always do your own due diligence. Price also starting to move fast, so I'll definitely want to move quick with this video because I want to buy something myself. Now, let's see. We already mentioned this. Sport, next one will be here at 67K. If we continue to drop, 67K is the zone that we have to look out for. Let's see. So I'm probably going to start here buying at 72. 67K would be my next buying zone. And then 59K. And after would be the $52,000. That's where I'm probably going to buy. You can see these are my buying zones for Bitcoin. For now, I'm very happy that the price is correcting because I can accumulate more Bitcoin before it goes to millions and millions of dollars. We all know this is going to happen sooner or later. Just look at gold. Gold has over 33 trillion market cap, guys. This is insane. All the crypto market right now is just 3 trillion, even below that, 2.49 trillion market cap for the crypto coins right here. And that shows something. That shows that the market is undervalued. I definitely think that crypto and blockchain has at least the same value as gold in this world. So let's talk about also gold right now, which had a nice run. It tried to go above $5,000 just a couple of hours ago, but we can see it got rejected here. It went here, it was 5,100, and then start drop down below. We can see a rounding top right here. So is it time for another gold short? I say maybe. Let's see. I could take this short right now. Actually, let's do it. Let's take it all together from here down to this zone, 4,461. Stop loss, I would put it just above the previous high right here, and I will move it in the profit zone once the trade is profitable. Now, let's see what else do we have here. Gold, I have to say, it doesn't look good. Rounding top, we also created here a lower high compared to this high, so we might see further drops coming. Be careful out there. I already mentioned it in my previous videos that gold is definitely overbought. There is too much hype about it. People are FOMOing into it too much, and we can see it still has a lot of room to go down also on the RSI. Let's see what else we have here. Let's go also on the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, it's in the middle right now, so it's not a very strong selling or buying signal on the 4-hourly. So I would definitely think twice about opening a short, but yeah, I can take the risk. The risk to reward ratio is only 1 to 2. It's not the best risk to reward ratio. You always want to have a risk to reward ratio of at least 1 to 3. So let's see, I might move my stop somewhere around here. Let's see, just above this high at $5,000.25. I would move also my take profit probably actually even lower, because I think we might create a lower low here. So let's take this trade actually somewhere. Let's quickly zoom out a little bit and see where can we take some profits for gold. I would say somewhere around this zone, $4,180. We can see we have a risk to reward rate of 5. That's very, very nice. You're basically risking 1 to make 5. That's completely fine. Now, be careful out there. The markets are very, very volatile. Don't get shaken out right now before the big pump is coming for Bitcoin. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time.